Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Edifier MP260. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now you can click at the device list to connect it quickly. Here we go. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. To make a soft reset, firstly this speaker should be turned on, and now we should turn off it. So press and hold at the power button to turn off it. And right here we can see that it's disconnected. So press and hold again to turn on it. Here we go. And right here we should have connected. Yeah, we have it. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So I recommended to turn off it. And now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that turn on it. And it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold this Bluetooth button. So press and hold on it, and we can see it at the device list. Click on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!